doing business. Found ourselves some no-prep action. More index racing. We've talked about this before. I don't really have enough to hang with some of those outlaw type cars. So the index racing, we have a shot. So you're telling me there's a chance. So we're up before the sun. So we've got about 3.5 hours of drive time to get there. A little no-prep event. I believe it's called Clash of the States or something along those lines at Sage Raceway, west of Idaho Falls. We're gonna go up there, we're gonna give it a whirl. Ooh, spooky. It's Riley and I. We're on the road. We'll see you in a little while. guess you'd say we're ready. The old dart, running 7.0 class, index racing. Wish me luck. I'm just absolute state of disbelief. Drive 3 hours for a single hit. I could buy back, I suppose. You could see the dust cloud down track from the pair that ran in front of me, and we were the second pair out. That didn't help. We could have used a little rubber down for sure. It was a gamble. We knew it going in. It was fun though. This no prep stuff's pretty interesting. To be downright honest, I think I've been humbled. I've got a lot of tire, and I don't make a ton of horsepower. It's decent, but I overestimated the tire to the condition of the track. Let that be a lesson to you. To me. Early this morning on our way out, I could have swore I lost a tire. I saw tire chunks fly. We got out, it was still a little dark. Took a quick glance. All my tires were still holding air. We lost some chunks. We lost part of this tire. I don't know, it must not have been this bad. Probably went another 150 miles beyond that on this piece of crap. We're gonna change that. Put the spare on for the ride home. Well, my friends, the game was afoot. It is no longer afoot. And we're on the road heading home. It's already been a long day. It's only part way over. We still got to drive another 200 change just to get back home. But it was fun. Fun enough. But we learned a lot for the next one. I'm not done doing this stuff. I kind of need to speed it up a little bit, I think, to be able to be real competitive. We needed some shakedowns. I hadn't been in the car down the track since May. We have the nominationals coming up here really close. Less than 3 weeks at this point. Racing here coming up soon. Definitely be taking you along with us as we do, as we attempt to lay waste to the competition at the No Name Nationals. We'll be bracket racing, so we'll be a little bit back closer to our element. Well, we are back home. The garage is a mess again, and man, I was so wiped out yesterday. There's a good tune-up though, tune-up test for the No Name National Drive. That's coming up. That one's going to be just a little bit more driving than this one was. No prep has me humbled. I went up there thinking this 3315 was going to just stick on gravel. Plenty of dust. It was a nice skating rink the whole way down. I've got a lot to learn. I made adjustments based on what I thought the track would take. It needed more adjusting. It didn't take it. Initially, I thought we were going 5/10 pro tree. Technically, it was, loosened the amber bulb, so we didn't get to see those. It was just instant green. I was late. He got there first. Whole shot win. We know the dart's in good shape. It's no prep, and I loved it. You know, even though we didn't have a good day, we lost. I'll be doing more of it. It's a lot of fun. And I've got some good data for the next one. Only one thing really to be sad about. Anybody got a tail light lens, the right side? 67 dart. Let's just say the scooter was in a blind spot. The scooter rack, bada bing, bada boom, toast. A decent original lens, garbage. That is what I'm sad about. We had a blast. The dart did a great job, all things considered. If the loose nut behind the wheel could cut a light. And here's the other thing. There were 4 cars in 7-0. 2 rounds to win it. Least I can say I lost in the semis. Thanks for watching. Please like, please share. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would appreciate that very much. The dart thanks you, and we'll see you on the next one.